If you filmed in front of a busy background or, for example, on the street, and you want to remove some things because they don't look nice, or maybe you want to remove logos, that's like most common. Now it's possible because we have AI. It used to be very easy to remove things from the picture, right? But that's only one frame. That's why it was so easy. But you have a moving picture, moving video, and you have at least 24 frames per second. But this AI tool is doing the magic. It's maybe one of the most impressive things I've seen recently. It works great. There are some rules that you should consider. It's not like you can do anything and it's amazing because it's still in development. It still does pretty good magic. Search Runway AI. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video as well. Click on Get Started and sign up for this amazing tool. Click on AI tools and then find in painting. This is where you can just paint something off the picture or actually off the video. Upload the video that you want to remove something from. Wait for it to load. I'm going to upload two because I want to show you two different examples. So this is the street and automatically you can see the controls for the brush, also the size, which is quite important for the detailed section. You can also zoom in, zoom out on the view, just if you want to be more precise. And then you can start painting. Do not let go of your mouse or touchpad when you're doing it, because when you let go, it immediately starts to process the changes. So brush it off, let go of your finger, let it work. And all of a sudden, you're going to have something disappear. You can also preview because you want to see how it reacts and behaves when you play the video. You can continue, but make sure your playhead is at the very beginning of the video because it creates the keyframe for your change. So drag the playhead back and then you can start erasing something else as well. I'm going to go for the McDonald's logo. Let go and let the magic happen. It's going to be amazing. Again, play the video to see how it looks. That looks fantastic. And I'm thinking what else I could do. Let's do the girl's logo on the hoodie. And this one, I just want to show you that this could be a little tricky because her hand is going to go through it at some point. And this will create a really weird effect that her hand is going to be like a slightly crossfade and it's not going to look good. So when I play it, you're going to see that kind of weird blurry motion. So the best thing you can do in terms of the removing stuff from the background, like logos, is to go for the logos which are pretty much stand still. And I'm going to go for this Itsu, and this is going to look, again, pretty impressive. And of course, just the detail when his head is going to go through that logo specifically, it's going to do that weird blurry thing. So for example, McDonald's logo is fine and the Wi-Fi on the phone booth or whatever that is also fine. Everything else is not working great. I mean, it's a logo, I could get away with it. So I'm going to remove, so I'm going to hit exclude and then I'm going to remove the paint over the girl's hoodie and it's going to be excluded from this edit. So now it's back. I can export the video and I'm done. Another example is the office scenario. And again, I'm going to show you what you can do with it. And I'm going to start with the bottle, which is kind of not really great looking in the shot because it doesn't look that clean. So I'm going to brush off the top of the bottle and it's just going to look like a backpack, really flawless, honestly. And then I'm going to go for the door, the top of the door. It's something like hanger. You can hang your jacket on it, but I don't like it. I'm just going to brush it off and see how that's going to look like. Oh, that's pretty nice. So now my computer, as I'm recording this, is slowing down a little bit just because this is a browser-based application. And also I'm using OBS to record my screen. So that's why in a really high quality. That's why it's a little bit laggy. That's not gonna happen when you use it. I mean, if you use it on a really bad computer, then maybe, but other than that, no. It only works in Google Chrome, by the way. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, and if you want to sign up for Runway and do this, check the link in the description.